Hey guys, what's going on? Jesse from Sled Addicts. As you can see, kind of a work day over here. We're installing a bunch of accessories and getting the machines cleaned up. So one thing I just wanted to talk about were these awesome LinQ brackets. I got these from South Simcoe Machine here in Ontario, but I believe Whiteout Technologies also makes them. Now, these things, just to highlight, are super easy to install. As you can see, there's a little gap there. And with this divot in here, there are backers that go in there. And then you just put these nuts on, tighten them down, and super easy. And then it will also come with different screws for your LinQ brackets that are a little longer. So you put those on, and then you have your LinQ brackets on. And this whole installation maybe took me 20 minutes, like super easy. And then another thing is they give you these plastic covers that go over to prevent rust. I took these two off just to show you what it looks like underneath. But yeah, so awesome accessory. And because this machine is a 129, I usually opt for the adjustable fuel caddy with a tunnel bag. So I'll just show you guys how easy this is to install. And there you have it. And now this is a Polaris with a fuel caddy and a storage bag. Now, just to mention, these brackets can be used on any of the companies. So Yamaha, Polaris, and Articat. If you guys want LinQ accessories on your machine, you can install these brackets and have as many LinQ accessories as you want, and it's super easy. If you like that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sled Addicts YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiles. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.